Welcome to my channel. I want to show you something that I received. I've been waiting and I finally received my Dooney and Bourke order, which is this beauty right here in the deco print. It is the white, and I also received the other in the black. But this video is about what I thought I was getting, similar to the Coach Nolita, and what I received in the Dooney Deco print, and this is the Lexi. So let's get started. Hello everyone, again, welcome to my channel. And if you looked at some of my earlier videos, one of the latest ones that I posted was on my Dooney and Bourke and this Brenna pattern. And you know how much I love this. So you can watch the video and see the unboxing for this particular bag. However, I was awaiting some accessories for this bag, and I did receive the wallet, which is the international wallet that goes along with the bag. So pretty pleased with that. And also there is another video out there, I'll link this, that goes through the unboxing of this bag. And the last item that I purchased in the deco print was the Lexi, and this is this one. So I received this. I pretty much unboxed it. Haven't unwrapped it yet because I found out something about this bag that I didn't know. Not sure if I would have ordered it if I knew it. So now, if I knew that. So now I'm trying to make a decision on what I need to do here. So just to go back for maybe a month or so ago, maybe over a month now, I purchased some accessories from Coach, and I increased my number of Nolitas that I have for my Coach lines. And I love these. I love these bags because I can pack a lot in this. I have also the pochetta from Louis Vuitton. So I love that one too. So when I carry my Louis Vuitton bags, I always use that. Now, the difference between, well, they're pretty similar where you cannot detach one end, but the opposite end, you have the claw strap here that you can detach if you need to. You can add an extender to make it a crossbody. So it has some flexibility in there. So I wanted to, just along with the Louis Vuitton Pochetta that I have, and also this Coach Nolita and their line, I wanted the same thing for my Dooney bags, which then I ordered the Lexi. It is, I'm going to try to show you from a size comparison. It is bigger than the Nolita, but not that much. Just maybe about a half an inch in height. Now in width, it's probably more of an inch. But when you look at the width of it, you see that you have a little more room in the Nolita than you have in the Lexi crossbody. This bag, and let's just unwrap now because I just want to grab my scissors here. Look at what I am facing. So, the very long strap for the crossbody. It has the cheddar leather that goes along with the leather that is on the Brenna bag that I have. So if you could see that, the length of the strap is very long, but it is adjustable, so you can adjust the bag for a nice crossbody. You have the leather zipper strap here. This bag is packed to the max. They do a really good job with packing their bags. So let's take this insert out here. See what we have. Some freshener. There is a key holder, the bag, and just your normal paperwork that comes with your Dooney bags. It also has the card slots, and the Nolita has 2 card slots. The Lexi has a 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots in the red interior, and the opposite side has a long pocket. So a bit more versatile internally with this bag. However, so you say, what is your concern? The biggest concern I have is I purchased this bag not really as a standalone, but more so as a bag that I can drop in my Brenna when I'm carrying my Brenna, and I can put some of my essentials in this bag. It is going to be a bit difficult for me to do this, as I demonstrated with the Nolita. It has this short strap and it's detachable here. Not the same for the Lexi, which I missed that. I missed that in the review when I was looking at this online. This is not detachable from this end nor from this end. So I was trying to figure out what could I do. I thought about maybe trying to stuff it in the inside. Let's see. That'll be kind of awkward because you can't really zip it that way. The other option, which I really don't like altering bags like such, but I thought of maybe just cutting the strap off. It would leave me with these 2 small D-rings. Let's see if you can see. And what I would do is I can use, and I have one, see this chain here, this crossbody chain. I can use that as the chain if I wanted to carry it outside of my Brenna. So I don't really want to cut it. So now I am faced with whether I'm going to alter this to fit it to my needs or return it. And I'm really not looking at returning it. I'm leaning toward just snipping the strap off here. That's a bummer. Because not only did I get this in the white, I also purchased the same item in the black. So what I do for one, I'm also going to do for the other. So stay tuned. If you have any other ideas as to what I can do to adjust this so that I can make this a little bit more versatile and not have I'm looking at, so if, let's see, guys, if we take this, and no, that wouldn't work either. I was thinking if I just snipped this part and kept this and maybe did a shorter chain, at least I'll keep one side of the strap and will not have to lose the other. But this, I believe, will look pretty weird having a buckle strap on one end connected with a gold chain. So don't think that will work either. So if you have any other recommendations, please let me know. It was a bit, I love the bag. I love the print. Is everything that I expected it would be. But Dooney and Bourke, the descriptions are not always the best. And I really did miss this when I was looking at the photos of the bag. Still a nice size, but we'll see. All right. Thank you all. Drop in the comments what you think. I think I paid about $79 for this. I'll drop that in. I'll either put it in a video or drop the link in the comment box as to the price of these now. You know, Dooney has coupons every now and then, so it may be more or less than what I paid for this, but I'll drop it in the description box for you. All right, thank you for hanging out with me and helping me decide what I need to do with this Lexi, crossbody Lexi. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for joining me. How about liking and subscribing this channel so that you are aware of any new updates that I post on this channel? Stay tuned. This is Mrs. DLC.